The message the president was saying was peace and cohesion coming together. Anybody going against that, putting us into cocoons, regrouping, and then thinking that we can go that road. My friend, we are past tribalism. And anybody purporting that we can go that road of tribalism, we are past that. Kenyans, this is our country, and we have no any other country to go. Whatever we'll do, will make this country greater. And that is the message you need to have. 2, I want to warn. Yes, I want to warn one man. It is quite unfortunate to be used to fight our very own sons and daughters in this very government. There is one gentleman here called Honorable Doctor PS, Super PS, Interior PS, Doctor, PhD, Raymond Moore, son of the soil. There is a group of men somewhere being used. One of them is Tomboy. Mr. Speaker, just give me time because we don't need to incline ourselves into a certain region. Ama? Yes. Yes. What Ray Omolo is doing is splendid. Something anybody, even a mad person, will say this is something good. Omolo, as you know, Omolo is serving the entire state. When there was a case in Mombasa, Omolo was there. When there was a case in Peketoni and even the northern part of Kenya, Omolo was there. When the people of Kanu, Kisumu were suffering, Omolo was there. It is quite unfortunate that Tom Atomi Sefa, a class 3, can question a whole professor. Quite unfortunate. But it is not Tom himself. Tom is being used. This very, very Tom. 2017, you were used to fight His Excellency, Doctor, Engineer, Raila Amolo Odinga. You were chased forwards. You just ran all the way up to Tanzania. We went back as the community, talked that Tom is our very own son. There is no need of chasing this man like this. Moso is an orphan. Now, Tom is being used again to fight what Omolo is doing. Omolo is even building houses to the less privileged. Omolo is even educated. The less fortunate. Omolo is not even doing it in his very own home yard. He's even doing it in Kiambu. I even know. My friend Tom, play in your league. If you are a musician, find yourself in the music industry. But if you want to be a PS, positions were announced. Tom, were you part of those who were elected, selected, and even nominated? Tom, kindly. And those who are fighting our very own leaders, who are helping His Excellency Dr. William Ruto to propel the agendas of the UDA government. My friend, you are the one fighting the government and you are the one fighting the development. We are working towards 2032. We will not allow you. Thirdly, there is something called His Excellency Dr. Engineer Raila Amolo Odinga. I want to tell you, Kenyans, I said it here the other day, as we speak, Raila Amolo Odinga is remaining with 2 competitors, one from Madagascar, and another one from Puntland, Somaliland. I want to tell you, I'm telling you for free. Come 2027, come 2025,
Next month.
Raila will be running alone. Clap there. Raila will be clapping and running alone. This one I'm telling you for free. I am telling you for free. Don't pay me. I am telling you for free. By 2025, Raila Amolo Odinga will be vying for the position of AUC alone. Hello? Africans, are you getting me? Kenyans, are you listening? Diasporans, are you listening? This one is coming from run this country well, better, and pregnantly. Amen. God bless you.
Thank you very much.